Dad, can I ask you something?
Qu'est-ce qu'il y a?
What's your name?
My name is François.
So, why do I call you Dad? Like, why?
Because I'm your father.
So,
Hey, Dad, I'm your father. Je suis ton père. I'm your father.
and why can't I call you François?
I'm not your friend.
But so,
Hey, Dad, tu blagues avec moi? I'm not your friend.
I'm not your friend,
father.
but you call me Ethan. That's my name.
But that is your name, though.
Yeah. So why can't I call you François?
What else do you want me to call you? Est-ce que ta tête là, ça fonctionne?
If I'm calling you Dad, you need to call me son. It's
Yo,
factual.
what means factual?
It
Hey,
makes
tu joues avec
sense.
moi?
It makes sense.
Don't play with me. Listen, you call me Dad
And why?
because I am your dad.
And I am your son. You disrespected me by calling me Ethan. How rude.
Yo,
Yeah.
are you playing with